Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ram 1500 ST Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in maximum steel. I do love this color, kind of a blue-gray. You do have the chrome accenting on your grille up front, as well as you do have your halogen quad headlights and your chrome bumper down there with your fog lights. And coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with Goodyear Wrangler brand tires. They look great. Lots of tread still left on them, and the rims look very nice as well. You do have heated exterior mirrors right there in the matte black. And coming all the way around to the back, we do have a 5-foot box back here. You do have that chrome bumper back here as well. And you do have the backup camera right there. So as long as it's unlocked, you can just open it up. Now you do have a 5-foot box, as I said. Lots of room back here, and it is painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. It looks fantastic. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock, and you got your panic just up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got a handle here and a handle here. You got some storage down here as well. Very nice interior, very spacious as well. I do like the feeling of the fabric. It's very nice and soft. It'll be good on long car trips. Over here we do have the control over our lights. So we have our auto or off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as if you press it in, you do have your fog lights and your in-cabin control here. Then up here we do have the control over our windshield wipers, high beams, and our turning signals. Okay, let's start up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have right in the center there how many kilometers we have, only 58,000, not too bad at all. The temperature outside, which way we're facing, and our kilometers. Now we can change that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our messages, screen setup, and then you can turn the menu off if it was bright or distracting to you. Now you do have that all controlled right here, as well as your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Gear shift is right here, just like that. And when you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera right there. Now we do have a 5-inch touchscreen display here. And we do have FM, AM, and Sirius XM all in there, plus you do have your media tab if you did have one hooked up through your USB aux cord or your Bluetooth. You got your phone options here if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your compass, your settings, and your more options right there. Down here we do have volume up and down with the mute, screen off, back button, and your browser over there. And then down here in our climate control we have the power here with circulation. You got your hazard lights there, AC and heat. Then over here you do have where it's going to blow out of. You get your traction control and your tow and haul mode. Then you also have some storage right there, and your controls over your 4-wheel, 2-wheel, all those options there as well. Then in the center you do have your armrest with some cup holders. You got this guy that opens up, and then you do have some coin holders underneath there. Plus right over here we do have an aux cord and a USB plug-in. Then you can close this up, lift it up, and you do have another seat under there. So it does seat 6 people all together. You have your top layer glove box over here, and your bottom layer right here with your owner's manual inside of it. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle. You have the control over your windows, another handle here, and some storage just down here. Very nice back here. It is the same material as the front. Feels great. You can lift this up, and there's some additional storage just underneath there. It is a crew cab, so there's lots of room. Plus, you do have your cup holders right there. And underneath the floor here, you do have some additional storage. There's an identical one on the other side. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Ram 1500 ST. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.